Next, we're going to go over text. So to begin, we're going to expand this annotation drop-down tab up here. And we're going to click on the text style icon, which is the first one up here with the A and a little paintbrush next to it. When you click on it, you get this dialog box. We're going to create a new text style by selecting New over on the right hand side. And you get this little box that pops up with Style 1 as the generic name for your first new text style. We're going to just change that to Notes, how about? So we want all of our notes that we put in our plans to look like this and have this same text. By selecting this drop-down menu under font name. Wow, there are a lot. I don't know. I'm just going to pick one. Sorry, I don't know why it's such a difficult decision. Okay, there we go. Bell MT. Okay. Annotative under the size, because then you'll be able to scale your text in your drawing. You do want to set this paper text height, otherwise you're going to have to set it every single time you put text in there, so I recommend setting it right away. I'm just going to do that at 1/8 inch, and I could get way more into that, but we're just going to leave it at that for now. And you'll hit apply. Oh, I guess it wants a decimal. Okay. And then close it, and now we've got that option up in our Annotate tab. So you'll want to go up, it's 2 over from this Home tab, Annotate tab. This big button that says multi-line text. If you click on it, you will be able to draw a box to place your multi-line. Don't pay attention to that. Hopefully that doesn't happen to you. So here I'm just creating my box, and now I can type whatever I want. And then I also have these grips. I can move it. What's that one do? I'll make it bigger if I had more words in there. Create this text box. You can do all these things up here to edit. You know, I'm sure most of you are familiar with these things. So, and then to get out of the text editor, you can just close it right here. So create a single line text. I usually always just create a multi-line text, but up here on this button that says multi-line text, there's a drop down, and you can find the single line text. It's going to just want you to create how long you want that to be, and instead of like a box dialog, you just get kind of just a cursor. And pretty much the same thing. Really able to do all of those things like bold, and all you can really do is move it to a different spot. So I would just use multi-line text, in my opinion. That would be the best way to go. To edit your text, all you got to do is double click on it. Make sure you don't have another thing selected. That was my problem just there. I just double clicked on the text and it lets me go in there and change it. So it's really easy to edit the text. Just use the grip. Single line and multi-line will let you do that. This is really cool. I would recommend writing this next part down, but if you ever need special characters, let's say a degree symbol, you can get it by keying in the correct code. Get a degree symbol, you go into edit your text, and I'm just going to change that to a number. And to get a degree symbol, it says you put in a percentage mark, and the letter D. Oh! Wow. There we go. We've got our degree symbol. Also, they say we've got a plus or minus symbol, which is percentage, P. Oh, okay. And diameter symbol. I've never even heard of this, but that is percentage, C. I guess that's a diameter symbol. So that's pretty cool. If you get into edit and right click on it, you can find some more symbols right here. So that is cool. Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out these cool things here. And last but not least is the scaling of a text. So for non-annotative style text only, the text height can be changed using scale text. So what we would do is, well, since I'm on my laptop, I have to go to this drop-down menu, but yours might be up here. Oops, sorry. The scale button. And I'm just going to select my objects, hit enter. I'll just hit existing. And you can scale it by putting in a number. It didn't work for me because mine's annotative, I think. Let's see. See if it works for this one. Alright, let's just change that to 1. Okay, so it worked for that one because it wasn't annotative. So you'll get to know all that working with it and all that fun stuff. So that's it.